Hello children, how are you all? My name is Aisha. I teach in Toddledom pre-primary section. Today I am going to teach you to write Hindi. The first letter of Hindi, that is A. We have already learned the pictures recognition with letter A. That is A say anar, A say ananas, A say अजगर, अ से अगरबत्ती। हाँ, बहुत सारे हमने सीखा है, लेकिन आज हम लिखना सीखेंगे। अभी आपको H1 बुक निकालना है। जैसा मैं लिख रही हूँ वैसा आपको लिखना होगा। अ से अनार, अ से अनानस। ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वी ओपन अ न्यू पेज. ऑन द टॉप first we will draw the lines. First line, second line and the third line. That is, we are making 4 columns on one page, right? Now we will write the date 11 dash 01 dash 21, that is 21. Now children, on the first line we will write a. You know to write 3, right? That way we have to write and make small sleeping line and one standing line, and on top big sleeping line. Make one circle from the first blue line to touch the down red line. Then on top make one slanting line, then down make zigzag lines. 3 zigzag lines, okay? Now again we write letter A. It is just like 3. In between you have to put a small sleeping line, then big standing line, and on top one big sleeping line. Now we will make ananas, that is one curve, one big curve left side and right side, and on top and down we joined, and on top we make zigzag lines. Yes, and down also we will make small zigzag lines. In between we will make slanting lines, right side as well as left side also will go upward, you can see. Okay, now we will keep on doing this full page. Now we will write A. Now yes, you have to put the sleeping line on top. Make one circle, then make one up slanting line, then make down zigzag line, that is anar. Now A, write letter A and then make that ananas. Ananas we say English pineapple. Down we have to make zigzag lines, up makes join the line and then make zigzag line on top. In between you will make slanting lines. Yes, upward and downward you have to make the slanting lines, right? Okay, now make letter A. Write letter A and then make one circle, and on top make zigzag line and this slanting line on top, right? That is anar. Now again write letter A, make one curve, other curve, join the line down and bottom and make the zigzag line on top will be big, okay, and small one down, and inside you have to make the slanting lines. Children, you can see this. This is pineapple, ananas. Now again we will start writing letter A. Write letter A. Now make one circle, on top one slanting line, down zigzag line. Now children, you know to do it, right? Come on, write letter A, make one curve, other curve, join the line down, make zigzag line small ones, up join the line and make bigger zigzag lines and slanting lines in middle and left side slanting lines. Okay, now write letter A. Again and then make one circle first, and then down make zigzag lines, then on top slanting line, that is anar. This is a, letter A, and then make one curve, other curve, join down, make zigzag lines and join on top and make bigger zigzag lines, and in between make slanting lines, both the side, right side and left side slanting lines. Okay, now write letter A, and make a circle, and then make a zigzag line, and top make a slanting line, that is anar. Write letter A and then make a curve, then other curve, join the line down and make zigzag line, and on top join the line down upward in between slanting lines, downward, upward, both slanting lines. Now write letter A and make a circle, and down make a zigzag line down, that is anar. Write letter A. Now write letter A, make one curve, other curve, down make a join and then make zigzag line, and top also you have to join and then make zigzag line, the bigger zigzag line. In between there will be slanting lines, both the side, upward and downward slanting lines. Write letter A, make a circle, and then make a zigzag line and then put a slanting line on top. Write letter A. Now make a curve, both the curves. Down you have to join and make zigzag line, up you have to join and make bigger zigzag lines, and in between make slanting lines, both the side, downward and upward coming slanting lines. Right? Now write letter A, make a circle, up slanting line and down zigzag line, that is anar. Okay, write letter A. Now make curves, both the curves, down you have to join and make zigzag lines, and up also you have to join and make bigger zigzag lines, and in between you will make slanting lines both the ways, upward and down ways slanting line. Children, now you have written A se anar, A se ananas. Children, now you have learned how to write letter A in Hindi. Yes? So you have to keep on practicing this at home. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you.